Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell notification so you get notified when we upload new content. And as always, please hit that thumbs up button and like this video. It definitely helps support the channel. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and cover installing and upgrading to our Homelink, basically Homelink system, so we can actuate our garage doors. This truck did not come with any. We ordered this off of LKQ through eBay. It was about $100. So we're going to go ahead and do the programming for it. We've already done the install video for it as well, so be sure to check that out. All right, as always with the Alfaobd, you want to go ahead and connect your Obdlink MX Plus or your EX cable then to your computer. In this case, we have our tablet, so we're going to go ahead and start off with connection with our tablet. So we're going to connect to MX Plus. We've already got our RAM in there, body computer. Go ahead and select our power net that we have. Okay, we're going to connect. All right, so once we've connected, we're going to go to the car, down at the bottom, scroll down till you see car configuration change. Then we're going to go ahead and search our option. So we're going to do, I want to say it's overhead electronic overhead module. Okay, so that's good. And of course, you can always go ahead and look up the known working list, and there's guys that have already done this stuff too. And essentially, that's what we can go off of as well if you really don't know any of the settings. I've got a general idea of what we need to enable, so we'll try this and go from there. Okay, so it looks like this is the only thing that we really need to enable, which is the LIN and miscellaneous electronic overhead module EOM present. So for some reason my truck had it already present, even though I didn't have anything programmed into it. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this thing talking to our garage doors and all that stuff. But that's really all you should need to enable. All right, so programming this RAM 2500, Homelink 1500, 3500, whatever you have. Basically, it says it can take up to 20 seconds, but what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take your remote, press it while holding whatever button you want it associated with within 1 to 3 inches of the Homelink, and then on your dash it'll say training and then it'll say trained. If you need to, like in my case, I had to clear out any of the remaining codes for transmission to somebody else's garage from when it was in the junkyard, or LKQ had it. You're gonna sit here and hold 1 and 3 buttons to make sure that you clear this, and it'll display on your dash down here. It'll say transmitter cleared or channel cleared, and it'll go through all the channels and clear them. And then once it's trained, you'll go ahead and it'll say trained for whatever button you train it on, and then it'll go to trained and then transmitting once you start activating it. So we're gonna go ahead and show you. You can see the garage door in the back. So that's just on the button. It's gonna close it. Got it closed, and then we're gonna open it. Maybe, we'll see. All right, so we just trained the open function on, or I'm sorry, open on 2 and closed on 1. So I'm not sure, your garage door might be able to do both on 1. For some reason, ours did not. I don't know why, but whenever I hit 2, it goes ahead and opens the garage door. And it's kind of finicky, so I think it's just these linear garage doors. But now if I hit 1, it'll go ahead and close it. If the video helped you out, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and like the video, comment down below, and we'd love to hear from you guys. As always, until next upload, see you guys.